All right guys, behind me is a wall of Brabus authentic parts that have just landed. All of them are from Germany, but they do have a North America location and a warehouse here, and all the parts are in stock. So a client chose that he wanted to do the WIDESTAR kit on his 2025 G-Class that he built himself, spec'd out really amazing, has full black chrome everywhere, gold wheels, amazing color interior. This is over $100,000 in parts just behind me on the wall. We have even floor mats, we even have the gas pedals. I mean, as a kid, even the little stuff just excite me so much. This is from Brabus. We have all the part numbers, we have the certificates. So this is the real deal, guys. When you look at a Brabus online for sale and it's authentic and it's listed for $300,000+, it's because it cost over $150,000 to build that car, two and some change, and you have to spend another $150,000 just to do a Brabus kit. I'm gonna show you guys the full process. We're gonna unbox every box. We're gonna show you everything, A to Z, part numbers, every single step, how to build it, how to get it done, especially because it's a 2025 G-Class. So it's pretty special, and yeah. Outside, I'm gonna do a full walk around and go start to finish pretty much all the new builds and in progress builds that are finishing up. We'll skim through this quick and show you guys some beautiful cars. All right, to my right is this 2021 Lamborghini Urus that is going to be getting a full forged 1016 wide body kit. So the car is actually matte black from factory, and we are going to add an insane body kit on the car. So I'm super excited for that. It's a good friend of ours. The car got shipped from New York. To my right is an empty lift for the Jolly. So the Jolly is coming back. Again, guys, it was a project for Monday Swimwear, so now it's coming back from paint. It looks incredible, so we're excited to get that car back, and let's keep going. All right, A12 GTS, tailor-made, special color, custom color, 101 interior, full green carbon. Car needs some love, new tires, new PPF, new windshield protection. Just got dropped off. We're continuing to this beautiful STO, sold by Status New York, shipped to California. Car is gonna get full paint protection film, ceramic coating the wheels, protecting the windshield. It is important to protect your paint. If you leave your car basically unprotected, you are risking it from weather conditions, from door dings, from rock chips, and many more factors. Cybertruck is actually getting gloss black. Cybertrucks are crazy. They only come one color from Tesla, so a lot of guys trying to get creative with it. And this one we're just doing gloss black finish, and next to it is a very cool, very special car. It's a BMW M5, and we are again starting with paint protection film and going on to special custom wheels. We are not sure yet if we are gonna do HRE or Brixton Forged or BBS, but we know we are gonna do polished with brushed face. We're gonna lower the car. It's gonna be for sure the ME Stage 2 tune. We're super excited for it. I actually got to drive it from Calabasas down to Burbank. Enjoyed the drive. Car is incredible, well balanced, felt great, got a lot of thumbs up on the way. All right guys, here we have it. Behind me is the 2025 G63 AMG, fully converted to Brabus. Kit came from Germany, from Brabus headquarters. Every part on this vehicle is Brabus, including the gas pedal, brake pedal. I just hit my head, so I apologize. I took an Advil, but I think I have a concussion. Even the, what's the English word for the things on the side? When you open and close the lock. Carpets, seats, steering wheel, full body kit, wheels, exhaust with the black tips. We also powder coated the side steps from chrome to black gloss. Absolutely everything matches on this car. It's so dark, it's beautiful. We're excited to deliver it to the customer. We're actually gonna swap them with a Spectre and do some cool stuff on that. Wheel, suspension. I won't talk a lot, I'll let the car talk for itself. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe. We'll get you guys some photos. Enjoy.
Es un camión de remolque.